Good morning. Today we're going to show you some of the many great applications of Vital Oxide on a dairy farm. And this morning we'll actually be demoing some different applications in a calf barn operation and a calving operation. And we're going to show you 3 different applications that will include foaming, electrostatically spraying, and applying it with a backpack. And here we're going to show you a real convenient way to fill the different parts of equipment, where we have a 55-gallon drum of Vital Oxide and a proportioning piece of equipment, our Hotsy proportioner here, that will dilute the Vital Oxide down to the proper dilution that we need to apply it. So it's a very convenient way and cost-effective way for the dairy to utilize it. Simply put the exit hose in there, turn it on, and we are filling the electrostatic sprayer here right now. An extremely cost-effective way and quick to take and sanitize and disinfect any type of surfaces or whatnot on the farm, and it'll cover up to 15,000 square feet on a gallon of product, so very cost-effective. And you'll see how quickly right now I'm filling this with a proper diluted Vital Oxide. When it gets up full there, just simply shut it off, and we're good to go. And also we have here a new piece of equipment we're demoing today, which is a battery operated rechargeable backpack sprayer. That's really convenient. You'll get 2.5 hour lead run time on it, and you simply fill it in the top here. As you can see I'm doing here, I will fill this backpack up, and this will also be used to disinfect and sanitize different applications on the dairy, from pens and robotic calf feeders to calf hutches, nipples, bottles, whatever that you may want to use. So I'm taking and filling this up, simply going to shut it off now, put it back in the thing, and now we're ready to go to work on the farm.
Okay, we just got through foaming the pen next door, and now I'm going to show you a real nice, new, neat piece of equipment that we're just trying out today for the first time. It's a 2.5-gallon backpack electric sprayer. It has different temps that can go on there to adjust the fittings, high and low speeds, and you'll get up to 2 to 2.5 hours of use of this between charges. Now, we've got Vital Oxide in this backpack, and we're going to show you an application that this dairy does around the robotic calf feeders. This has got a nice wand on the end of it and a trigger that you would simply hit. We've got company here, you see, and it's good to spray Vital Oxide around the grain trays, the gates. We're going to spray around the waters here, where the calves come in and get water. And finally, you can see the calves feeding in the robotic calf feeders here. And we can simply use the Vital Oxide to disinfect or sanitize in and around these areas. Very convenient for the workers to come and do it with this new backpack. And then, as you see on the back, it fits up nicely on your shoulders. And these are available through your Hotsy dealer. So you either can contact them or myself. I can let you guys know where you can get this great little piece of equipment. Now, this farm does not utilize calf hutches, but we have a lot of farms where they were using pump-up sprayers to spray in the calf hutches. Now, rather than do this, you can take the backpack and simply go along and spray the inside of the calf hutches to kill bacteria, and then also Vital Oxide will eliminate any ammonia gas coming up from the urine and feces from the calves. A great piece of equipment and another great application for Vital Oxide on the farm. We're going to show you another great new piece of equipment that's a great way to apply Vital Oxide on the dairy farm. And it is called the Hurricane Electrostatic Sprayer. It runs on 110 and it holds a gallon of Vital Oxide. So we already filled this sprayer before we started through the dispenser in the other barn. And it's a great way and cost-effective way where we can treat up to 15,000 square feet of surface on a gallon of product. And then again, you'll find it's very quick. Okay, another application of Vital Oxide on the dairy farm here today is they use it in their foot bath, for human foot bath, coming in and out of their calf barns and their cow freshening operation. As you can see down here, a little black foot bath that, you know, we take, and once we come in and out of here, we'll actually take and walk through them, and we have Vital Oxide in there to use to kill any of the bacteria and viruses that may be on the boots or shoes. Okay, another application on the dairy farm that this farm uses with Vital Oxide is in the hot boxes. So when these newborn calves are first born, they put them in these individual boxes that have heat lamps to give that calf some additional warmth and heat to get them off to a good start. So we use Vital Oxide in the sprayers, and then we use and treat the inside of the walls and the bedding inside between calves being going in and out. Another great place to use Vital Oxide to ensure the calf gets off to a good healthy start.